People usually think climate-controlled storage is only for fancy wine collections or priceless art. But guess what? It's actually made for everyday things that really matter. Let's talk about 5 surprisingly common items that need a little extra TLC, and why tossing them in a hot garage or damp shed just doesn't cut it. Those little onesies and blankies? They hold memories, but heat and humidity can turn them into musty messes. Climate control helps fabrics stay fresh and mildew-free, because that coming home from the hospital outfit deserves better than a plastic bin in a hot attic. Books don't like drama, and by drama we mean temperature swings. Pages warp, covers curl. Important documents? Same deal. Climate-controlled storage keeps everything crisp, dry, and just how it was when you packed it. Have you seen what 100-degree heat does to a vanilla soy candle? Or a tube of lipstick? It's not pretty. If you're storing things like seasonal candles, spare toiletries, or your backup beauty stash, keep them in a space that won't melt them into goo. Wood breathes, and when temps swing from freezing to blazing, it expands and contracts, leading to cracks, warping, and regrets. Even that IKEA coffee table deserves stable conditions. Your grandma's quilt, dad's old vinyl collection. The kind of stuff you can't replace. These aren't luxury items. They're legacy. And they need more than a shelf in the shed. They need climate control to stay safe for the next generation. Climate-controlled storage isn't about being fancy. It's about being smart with the stuff that matters. Visit arcostorage.com for clean, safe, and secure storage options. Because peace of mind shouldn't come with a price tag. It should come with a key.